I was looking for a inexpensive way to build me a prototyping board for all my processors, different processors. And I found this cutting board at Walmart. It's a Mainstay, 8.5 by 11. It cost 88 cents. This is May the 19th, I believe, 2020. And they also have larger ones just like this. And they don't cost much more. So, but this is made out of plastic and is easily drilled or cut. So it makes an excellent board to put these have an easy backing, so you can just take the cover off and will it stick right to the cutting board. Take that piece of paper off. This is 830 point breadboard, and you can use whatever size you like. Here you see I put a Beaglebone black on one of these and put 830 point, 400 point, 830 point breadboard, and I think these are about 170 point breadboards, small ones, and a display. I mounted all this on one of these boards. And my intent is to build me one of these for each of my processors and put a display, connect display, and program it and set it up so I can test sensors, test software on each processor, and have a separate board for each. This works great. Here's the ESP32. As you probably know, they come, the widths are different depending on the model you buy. And this one's narrower than this one. So what I've done is I took out you may be able to see, is I took out the power supply strip from one of these breadboards and moved it apart just enough so that I got plenty of, so that I only use one row of contacts on each side for the Beaglebone black. For the ESP32. So they have plenty of connection points on either side of the processor. These boards are inexpensive, and it's easy to make a board for whatever project you have. And I have projects that I put them together, and one of the reasons I do this is so that I can leave them together. I don't have to take them apart if I want to look at them in the future. Anyways, this is a good way, an inexpensive way to build prototyping boards for your processor, whether it be an Arduino, an ESP32, a Raspberry Pi, or a Beaglebone Black, or any other processor for that matter. It works great. I might warn you that some of these boards you buy, if they're inexpensive boards, they don't work very well. So I would make sure I got good boards that work well. And what I found, and it may not be always so true, is these transparent boards, they always work. I've never gotten a transparent board that didn't work properly. But some of these other white ones, I've had problems with the pins on the inside working properly. So anyway, good luck, and I hope this is useful to you if you need a prototyping board.